Hi friends, this is Vivek from Gadget Guide for you. In today's video, I am sharing first impressions I had with LG G3. LG G3 features 5.5-inch QHD display with a resolution of 2560 by 1440 pixels. On the front, it has 2.1 megapixel camera with hidden sensors and a earpiece, LG branding below the display. The navigation button sits below the display. As it features QHD display, the viewing angles are pretty good, and you can easily see that each and every bit of pixels clearly visible. There are no physical buttons or anything on the right hand side of the device. There is a push button, and by moving it, you can see the back panels. It has micro SIM slot, speaker, a volume rocker button, power key, and 13 megapixel rear camera with laser autofocus. Dual LED flash. The back is made up of plastic. As you can see that at the back it is LG branding. Apart from the LG 13 megapixel camera, volume rocker button, power key, dual LED flash, speaker and sensor. On the left hand side there are no physical button. At the top it has microphone and IR LED sensor. At the bottom it has mic 3.5mm audio jack, microphone, micro USB slot for data transfer and charging. It is powered by 2.5 GHz quad-core Snapdragon 801 processor. It runs on Android 4.4.2 KitKat with Optimus UI on top of it. It packs 3000 mAh battery, and it doesn't work well when you are on heavy uses like accessing Facebook, Twitter, Gmail, phone calls, WhatsApp, and if you use all these features on a regular basis, the battery dies in and around 6 to 7 hours. LG G3 comes in two variants. One of the variant features 2GB RAM and 16GB of inbuilt memory. The other variant features 3GB RAM and 32GB inbuilt memory. And the inbuilt memory can be expanded further up to 128GB. As you can see that I have 16GB variant, out of which only 7.33GB is available. Clicking on the notification toggle panel gives you quick access to Wi-Fi, sound, data, rotation, Bluetooth, location, hotspot, synchronization, NFC, Q slide, quick remote, airplane mode, edit. You can clicking on the edit mode, you can easily decide which notification feature you want to see there. With the notification toggle panel, you can easily adjust the brightness and the phone call volume. As of now, all I can say, it is one of the best devices LG has made. And if you are planning to buy, then think about the price, as it costs 48,000 nearly. In round of figure, I can say that it will cost around 50,000, and 50,000 is a big amount while spending on a phone. This is your host Vivek signing off. Thanks for watching this video. Do not forget to share this video with your friends.